I'm Teacher Mike, and today we are looking at 10 English business idioms. And when I say that these are business idioms, what I really mean is that these are common English idioms that you might hear at the office. A drawing board is like a desk that designers and artists use when they are drawing on a large piece of paper. To go back to the drawing board means that a plan is not going to work, so we need to go back to the beginning and think of a new plan. The client was very unhappy with the proposal, so we've got to go back to the drawing board. I'm not sure where the expression "keep me in the loop" comes from, but it basically means keep me updated. If anything important happens, tell me. I'm going to be out of the office for a few days, but I want you to keep me in the loop, so please CC me on any important emails. The kitchen appliance that you use to heat pots and pans is called a stove. The part of the stove that you put the pot or pan on is called a burner. When a stove has more than one burner, there are usually both front burners and back burners, and often people will put the thing that they are focusing on the front burner, and the thing that they are not focusing on the back burner. So when people say that they are going to put something on the back burner, it means that they are going to stop focusing on that thing for a period of time so that they can focus on something else. I know that your team has been working very hard on the new design, but we need to put that on the back burner for a few weeks so that we can focus on training the new team members. If your boss asks you to bring someone up to speed on something, this means that there is new information that this person does not have yet. Please tell them everything that they need to know about this situation. Welcome back from your vacation. We made a few changes while you were gone, but don't worry, Hugo's going to bring you up to speed. When your hands are tied together with rope, you can't really do anything. So, when we say that our hands are tied, what that means is that we don't have the power or the authority to do anything. Imagine that you are a manager and your employee complains about something, and you agree with them. You think that their situation is unfair. However, this situation is the result of company policy. It's not something that you can change. In this situation, you could tell your employee, "I understand why you feel that this is unfair. However, my hands are tied." When a new sailor starts learning how to sail a ship, they need to learn which ropes control which parts of the ship. So to show someone the ropes means to teach them all of the basic things that they need to know in order to do their job. Welcome to the team. This is Stephanie, and she's going to be showing you the ropes for the next couple days. When there is a standard process for how to do something, it's often written down somewhere, for example, in a book. So when someone does something by the book, that means that they follow every step. They do everything the correct way. They don't take shortcuts or try to change anything. Maybe you have an employee who doesn't always follow the rules. You might say to them, "I know that you like to do things your own way, but today we are being observed, so please do everything by the book." If someone says that something is not going to fly, this means that the action, plan, or idea is not going to be accepted. Someone is going to say no and try to stop it. I heard that Frederick is going to ask for 4 weeks of unpaid leave. There's no way that that's going to fly with his supervisor. That means that the supervisor is definitely not going to approve his leave. To see eye to eye with someone basically means to have the same views or the same opinions as them. Although my manager and I don't always see eye to eye, we still get along well. Although we don't always agree on everything, we still have a good relationship. And finally, when someone asks for a ballpark figure, they are just asking for an estimate. I know that right now you can't tell me exactly how much this is going to cost, but I'd like you to give me a ballpark figure. So yeah, those are 10 very common English idioms that you can use for business, or whenever you feel like using them. And if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I usually make 3 to 5 new English learning videos each week. So if you're interested in improving your English, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching.